Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl here, Bex21, and I'm back at it with another video. If this is your first time seeing me, my name's Beck, my name's Becca, my name's Rebecca, my name's Rebecca. You can call me whatever you like, girl, but don't call me Becky. Oh. Alright, so I received a package from Modelones. This is their nail gel extension builder enhancement kit here. I wanted to do a video for you guys, but today I'm going to show you how you guys can get this baby boomer French tip using this kit. So let's go ahead and get into the kit just so that way you guys know a little bit more about it. It comes with the polygel. It comes with the pure white, soft pink, light apricot, nude, and their new addition, the temperature color changing polygel, and I will be showing you guys this one as well. It also comes with a nail file here, which is great. You always can use nail files while you're doing your nails. It also comes with the brush and the picker. I've showed you guys this before. So it comes with the picker side. Yes, I've already used it, of course. And then here, then you have your base coat, you have your top coat, and then this here is the slip solution. So you know, I was using alcohol previously. This stuff works so much better. They also come with like extras, so I don't know if you guys can see, but they come with purple jewels, and then there's some other just regular standard, you kind of can see right there, just some regular standard jewels, and there is some blue glitter. So you get some extras in this kit, and you also get the plastic forms here. Now if you're just doing one color of nails, then I would suggest to do this, but since we are doing a double color, that this probably won't be the best method as far as blending, and they give you a little extra of them here. So that's always nice to have these, and these are a great sizing. Let me tell you, the last kit didn't have the sizing as well as these. I could tell they're a lot better, a lot easier. The dip that's in them is more nail-like than the last pair that we had. And then of course they have their instruction manual, and then they have a help card. I'm gonna tell you guys everything that you're gonna need for this tutorial. So you're gonna need your kit. I definitely recommend the Modelones kit. I'm gonna leave everything down below in the description box. Baby, this kit is the truth, okay? Then I recommend some dish of some sort, something that you're gonna be able to put your slip solution in. I also recommend some nail forms. You don't have to use these. If you're gonna use longer nails and you don't want the nails to be as short as mine, you're definitely gonna want longer ones, but definitely some nail forms to complete this look is definitely necessary. You're gonna need your nail drill. This one works great, and it comes in a kit, so all the other tools that I'm gonna suggest for you already come in this kit. The nail drill comes with a dusting brush. I definitely recommend this. You're gonna need this as you're filing your nails. You're also gonna need some clippers of some sort. Again, this kit came with my nail drill already, so made that so much easier. You're gonna need something like this because you wanna clean your nails beforehand, and of course you're gonna need your bit for your cuticles. Get your cuticles clean. Again, this came with my nail kit. My nail kit came with these tools along with these drill bits and some extras. I also recommend that you guys get this. This is actually a gel remover. Of course, if you're going to be using polygel, I suggest that you pick one of these up anyway. I will leave one down below in the affiliate link, but this one I got from the Dollar Tree, and here is some cotton rounds. I ran out of the Target ones, so I have to use the Dollar Tree ones. I really hate these ones. It's best if you get really good quality ones, or a paper towel, which I'm gonna use. I also suggest that you keep some alcohol on hand. You can put a cotton round and saturate it with it, and then clean your picker off right after you use it. And of course you want to have your handy dandy UV LED lamp. This one I got from Amazon. So here are all the colors of the polygel that comes in, and I'll go ahead and read them off to you as well as the number. So the first one, we're starting from left to right. First one is number 1, pure white. Second is soft pink, number 2. Third one is light pink, number 3. Fourth is light apricot, number 4. 5 is nude, and the sixth one is the temperature change color. For this tutorial, we're gonna use 3 of them. We're gonna use the number 1 pure white, as you guys can see, and then I'm gonna use the nude, and that's the one, the second color that we're using right here. This is the number 5. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the color changing temperature one as well, number 6 for this finger. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial, and I'm gonna show you how I do this. So the first thing you need to do with your nails, might I suggest, is to clean them. If there's any dirt, anything. I also suggest that you put down some towels of some sort. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drill my nails. You don't wanna be too high when you're using stuff on your natural nail. I'm just gonna lay my hand down and go ahead and get off my cuticle. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna push back any extra cuticle. Now I'm gonna take this drill head here. I'm gonna pop one of these on, the little drill bit, replace it, and we're gonna rough up the whole nail. This is also gonna take off the extra pieces of cuticle at the top of the nail. Now if you don't have a nail drill, then I suggest that you use a nail file that came in the kit. Now I'm gonna brush off my nail. Don't worry about this extra like stuff. It might look dry right now, but it won't later. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start with the kit. I suggest you get your little dish out. Go ahead and pour some of the slip solution in there. Do not work with a lot of slip solution at a time. I don't know if y'all could see, but this is all that I'm working with for one nail because the color sometimes transfers in there, so it's best to work in small pieces. So now I'm gonna take the base coat and I'm just gonna apply a light coat to my nail. There's a lot of this stuff and it's very thick, so a little bit goes a long way. Now I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. So I took some time to lightly prep my area. I have the slip solution here. I have a cotton round right here full of alcohol, so when we use the picker, I can wipe the picker off. I have my nail form, so I'm gonna take off one of the nail forms. These are stickers, by the way. So I'm gonna unpeel it. It has like a little crease here for you to bend, and I'm just gonna put it here up against my nail. I try and get it like right underneath my nail. Make sure it's even. We're gonna go in with the first color, which is the pure white. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit out. I'm gonna show you how much I squeezed out. This is the amount that I use. I might end up going back with more, but that's what I use. And I just wipe it on the edge of the nail form. Sometimes it's a little hard to get off. Whatever's excess on this, I'm just gonna wipe it off on this alcohol pad we had. So I'm gonna dip in this solution here, and I'm literally just gonna pat this on. Just on the edge of the nail, the end where the nail meets, right here. And then I'm gonna push this over a little. It's all about forming your nail, you know, what shape you want and all that. As you can see, I'm kind of doing like a rounded square. And then you'll see the edge, as you guys can see here, it's a little bit uneven. So we can fix that now. So the whole point is kind of just to shape your nail right now. How do you want it? How do you want it? How does it feel, okay? So now we have this. This is kind of what our nail looks like, and it kind of looks strange, okay? This is the key part. So as you can see, I dipped my brush in the solution. You don't want your brush too wet or too dry. And so now I'm just going to swipe this up. Kind of like I'm blending, okay? Just swipe it up just like this. And when you see, what will happen is it'll blend down to nothing towards the end, and that's what you want. We're just gonna keep going. You want the end of the nail to be the most potent in color. So it doesn't really matter about up here because we're gonna end up covering that anyway. And you see this excess here? I'm just gonna swipe it up. There, y'all probably can see that so much better. I'm new to these things. We're gonna keep on brushing up and brushing up and brushing up until everything fades. And then again, just up. Swipe up until it starts to blend in. So as you can see, it's kind of melted into the nail. It's not directly like in the nail. There's still some space here that we have, but it's blended like flat in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cure the nail. Okay, so now here comes the second most important part. So we're gonna take the number 5 nude and we're gonna put it up here at the top. So I'm gonna take the picker side, squeeze it out. You don't need that much. That's all that I need. I'm just gonna plop this on the top portion of the nail. Top middle portion is where you want this, okay? So now we're gonna take the brush, we're gonna wet it, dip it a little bit, and we're just gonna place this up top. So we wanna form it down into the top, and we're just pressing it down. We're not like doing anything extensive. I'm just pressing it. Press, press, press. Now do y'all see that? You see how it's like naturally formed now? And now all we have to worry about is this bottom portion. I'm gonna take a little bit of the wet brush and I'm gonna just brush it down. And I'm gonna continue just to brush down until the nail is even, an even bed, and I can see the white peeking through just enough. Like, it doesn't have to peek through too much. I'm gonna take a little more than usual on slip solution and just kind of brush it all over the nail, and then just check the nail, make sure everything is blended. Okay, so after I pretty much perfected my nail, here is what the middle finger looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, now that the nail is cured, you're gonna take your slip solution, put it on a cotton pad, just go ahead and clean it off, as well as the underside of the nail. And now we're gonna file and perfect the nail. And now I'm gonna blend out the top with my nail file. Make sure this is even. This underside's a little big as well, so if you have any extra polygel on the side of your fingers, just use your nail like I'm doing. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take the top coat nail that's in the kit. Again, this one is thick too, and a little of this goes a long way. And I'm just going to go ahead and brush this on. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. And now your nail is done. We're gonna put oil once everything is done with, so don't worry. There is a little bit of crust, but we're gonna move on to the temperature changing color, and we're gonna put that on this one now. Now I'm gonna get onto this color temperature changing one. So we're gonna do the same method. I'm gonna take this clear polygel. This is a different brand, so we're not gonna even just put this in a video. So I'm gonna take the clear polygel. Same process, okay? All right, so I'm gonna let this cure, and then we're gonna work on the other one. So now we're gonna go in with the temperature number 6, changing color. Again, the same method as before. And I'm gonna show y'all what this changes as the color as well after. So we're gonna put a little dollop. We're just gonna have this blend in to blend clear. So now here is the nail. It is color changing. It goes pretty clear, and then it goes like this when your hand is warm. But I'm gonna take my clippers. This is why I said you guys need clippers, because you might have to cut your nails. So here we are now in the filing process. So after I finished the filing process, I decided to go ahead with a little design. This was like last minute because I noticed the jewels that were already in the kit. So I decided to do a little stone design. I'm pretty much doing 1, 2, 1, 2 on my nails, and you'll just see me placing it here. I do want to tell you guys and warn you guys that the top coat is very potent and it is very thick. So if the stones don't fit with you using nail glue or something, then I suggest you use like your nail drill and just drill a little bit and roughen up the nail, and then you'll be fine. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cure this in my LED lamp. I'm gonna cure this for about like a minute and a half. So now after we finish that, we're on to our last nail. I just sped this one up because I figured you guys kind of understood the process already. If you guys want to slow this down, hit that gear button on the right side, click speed, and then change it to your desired speed, and it definitely will slow down for you so you could actually see it a lot easier. But I use the same method as I did with my other nails. I definitely recommend that you watch this a few times, kind of over and over, and then practice on a friend or practice on a fake nail, just so you guys can kind of get the concept of it. Okay, so after you're done with your nails, I suggest that you get some oil. Y'all know I always use this oil here just because it's a lot easier. It's a little dropper, and I'm gonna put that on my cuticles. And I already washed my hands, so now I'm just gonna rub this in so my cuticles aren't looking crusty, rusty, and dusty. So there you have it, guys. You have your baby boomer French tip nails, whatever, with a little design on it. And as you can see, I'm trying to warm my nails up so you guys could see the temperature change one. It came out really nice. I like the temperature change nails because it goes clear when it's cool, but red when it's like warm. It's really cute, nice addition to the nails. I think so. Have that little extra flavor, whatever. So if you guys have any questions, look down below in the description box and then go ahead and leave it in the comments. If I didn't answer it, I'll leave all links to everything down below just in the description box, everything that I use and so on and so forth. I also will have a video on how to remove polygel coming up next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Peace.